Hi, I'm Dr. Garret Sobol, an orthopedic surgeon with fellowship training in sports medicine. With fellowship training in sports medicine, my main focus is on arthroscopy, or minimally invasive surgery of the shoulder, hip, knee, and elbow. I also perform a variety of other surgeries, including shoulder replacement surgery. One of the biggest misconceptions that people often have is they think that going to see an orthopedic surgeon means that they're going to need to have surgery to have the best outcome. With any patient that comes to see me, we're going to sit down and have a detailed discussion about all the treatment options available. I recognize that no two patients are the same, and therefore the treatment plan is often going to differ, even for the same condition. At the end of the day, my goal is to get you back to living an active lifestyle and doing the things that you love. While there's a focus on the evaluation and management of athletic-related injuries, the truth is, most patients we see are just everyday individuals trying to live their best and most active lives. So it really doesn't matter if you're a professional athlete, a recreational athlete, or just an everyday individual trying to do the things you love. We always use the most up-to-date and evidence-based treatment protocols to help you get back to doing what you love.